Hi everyone, hi traders, hi non-traders. Austin from Lusaka, Zambia, and I'm here to talk about Forex for Beginners Academy. It's an honor to talk about Forex for Beginners Academy because it's a very good organization. You might also want to try it. Yeah, if you're a beginner, or maybe you are into Forex, or you've been scammed a lot, I advise and say try Forex for Beginners Academy. Maybe you haven't learned everything, because there are people that can just come in and steal your money and everything, whereby they just show you how to do certain stuff but not how to do the real thing. They're just maybe selling signals and stuff, but you don't know how to create those same signals. But good enough, Forex for Beginners Academy made it possible that you can learn your own. You can learn your own thing. Yeah, it teaches us. Saj Ali teaches everything that you have to know when it comes to Forex for Beginners Academy. Because he also helped me to set up a trusted Forex broker. Yeah, and he also, yeah, because like for real, I never knew of TradingView. I never knew of it, and Sad made it possible, and yeah, I'm now able to mark up charts on TradingView. I'm able to mark up charts on TradingView because that's the main thing as a trader. That's what he taught. Without a computer, without a mouse, without a computer or a laptop, you cannot do Forex trading. But some people, they will just come in and say, no, you can just use your phone. So those people, usually they want your money, so that when you're using your phone, they'll be telling you what to do, making you skipping stages. Meanwhile, they're using computers. They want you to make they want you to do the wrong thing, since you're desperate of making money. Yeah. So Forex for Beginners Academy teaches something like, for example, Saj Ali told me how to set up a Forex broker. Yeah, that was the first thing I said earlier, and he also taught me on how to analyze charts on TradingView. That's the second. He also taught me something about Fibonacci retracement. He taught me about Fibonacci retracement, and yeah, how you can set your stop loss, how you can set your take profits, how you can see how the trend is going, whether it will continue or it will break structure. Yeah, and under that was the market structure section. Then he also taught about trade lines. Yeah, he taught about trend lines, and trend lines and the channel too. They work together mostly because when you're using the trend line, you are seeing whether the market it's in a downtrend or it's in an uptrend. But when it comes to the channel too, you get to see whether you get to see the whole details. You connect with you connect with everything. You see, well, you get to picture the whole thing in the same channel. You see, so that's the bit different, but they work together. And he also taught about what else? Yeah, he also taught about he taught me about how to set a stop loss. Yeah, and how to place a trade. That was the first section that I came across when I was looking for a good tutor for my for my training. How to set a stop loss and how to place a trade. Yeah, and yeah, he also taught me risk management, and yeah, there was a very good talk that he made. Yeah, how you don't get to blow your account because of being desperate and greedy, never having a plan, a trading plan. Yeah, he did cover those, and yeah, that was quite a lot. And I can tell you right now, friend, I'm able to read charts. I'm able to follow up on how the trend is going, whether the market is gonna change, yeah, whether I'll be making a loss or whether I'll be making a profit. I can be able to predict that because I've learned all those from Forex for Beginners Academy, and it's a very good thing that I did learn those for free, because I would have spent a lot of money when it comes to other people. Because like for me, I'm working. I've been a student for over a few months now. Yeah, since I'm working, I never had time to be that consistent when it comes to learning. But I just sat down last month and I was like, let me start over, so that all those that I forgot, let me just try to learn them now. So I did just a quick one. Yeah, as soon as I knock off from work, I am already on the charts. Yeah, I'm always analyzing and everything. So when I finished everything, that's when I got up and say, let me try to make a video. I feel like now I'm ready. So here am I right now, telling you all this. Yep. And yeah, maybe you might ask, like, where can you get some information and stuff? No, just don't worry, chill and everything. There's a group that's created for traders. We as a family came together. We share our charts and everything. We share our ideas. We interact together. Even Sad can step in and tell you how you're doing, or some student can just come in and say you're doing wrong or right. So that's how it goes. But either way, Forex for Beginners Academy is the way to go, because you don't get to spend anything. You don't get to pay for anything. If you are new to Forex and you want to start now or later, it's best you go for Forex for Beginners Academy, because it's free, my friend. It's 100% free. It's 100% free. Yeah. It's best you just go for something which is free than paying someone, and in the end you tend up not to be having any interest in going through with the training or going through with the career. It's best you start it for free, then when you feel like no, it's your thing, you continue. If you feel like no, you cannot do it, you stop. So it's best you go for something which is for free, and Forex for Beginners Academy is the way to go. Thank you very much, my friend. I hope to see you in the next screen. But either way, I thank Saj Ali for the help that he's given me, and everyone out there who's been helped, and everyone who has helped me to go through with this training. It's been awesome, and have a good day.